Good evening, friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. I am Dharmendra Devsar from APCO English Academy. Today I am going to share beautiful idioms with you, and these idioms are definitely going to help you to enhance your vocabulary and to take your speaking ability to the next level. So let's jump right on into it. The first one is get on your nerves. It means to irritate or annoy someone or to trouble someone. We all understand that mobile phones are absolutely important for us to communicate with each other. But sometimes we do use our mobile phones excessively, don't we? I'm using my mobile phone to record this episode. Sometimes we are using our mobile phones excessively. Whenever we are in a meeting or whenever we are in the classroom, it is absolutely important for all of us to keep our mobile phones on the silent mode. And if you don't do it, someone is definitely going to get irritated and annoyed. At that point of time, I'm very sure about it, someone would definitely say, put your mobile phone on the silent mode immediately. The loud ringtone is getting on my nerves. I've used a definite article the over here because when we are very sure about what we are saying, at that particular point of time, we use the definite article the. Let's move to the second example. Remarks made by my distant aunt about the way I dress up gets on my nerves all the time. You can see in this picture that this girl is really very annoyed. She is frustrated. She is highly irritated because somebody has commented on the way she has done her hair or her dressing sense. Let's move to the next one. You can see this beautiful tree full of money. But this doesn't happen in reality. The expression or the idiom is money doesn't grow on trees. It means we have to put a lot of efforts in order to earn money. We have to slog throughout the day in order to earn money. Money must be used carefully as money doesn't grow on trees. People who work very hard realize this very well. Jack spends money recklessly on useless things. He fails to understand that money doesn't grow on trees. Jack has a habit of spending money recklessly, carelessly, without giving a thought to it. Reckless spenders are the spenders who are going to spend money at the drop of hat. They don't understand that money is important and is absolutely important for survival. So they need to use money very carefully. Jack spends money recklessly on useless things. You must have noticed that after the subject Jack, I've used the verb spend and it indicates simple present tense. I've put S at the end of the verb because in simple present tense, whenever we talk about third person singular, then we always put S or ES at the end of the verb. Chase rainbows. I really love rainbows in the sky. Everybody loves it. I really die to get a glimpse of the rainbow whenever I get a chance. Chasing rainbows. When someone tries to achieve something which is difficult, not impossible. My brother had just completed his education. He wants a high salary package. He's trying to chase rainbows. Everybody wants to earn a high salary. But we need to understand, friends, that nobody is going to get a very high salary package immediately. You have to prove yourselves. After proving yourselves, you are in a demanding position. You can demand from the prospective employers that I want a high salary package. I know that you want to be an actor. I think you should stop chasing rainbows, as becoming an actor is a tough task. And let's move to the last one. On the same page means everyone in agreement. Before we begin with the discussion, I would like to make sure that all of us are on the same page. From time to time, teams are created by organizations in order to undertake a project. The meaning of the word team is together everybody achieves more. But when can a team achieve? Only when all of them are on the same page. They should know what to do, when to do, why to do, and how we are going to accomplish it. So everybody is on the same page, work is going to get done very quickly. Living happily in a joint family is possible only when everybody is on the same page.